This is a Teen Museum Studies program. It's a program for teens, high school students mainly, and we learn about how the museum works, which is a fun experience. We curate our own exhibit and look at real artists' work and hang them up, and we actually display them in public.
Okay, so our show was called Life in Decay, and what we're trying to do was take a closer look at what is beauty, what is decay, and how they're intertwined. We also wanted to kind of show some of the less appreciated intricacies within nature. We chose of many different potential themes this one just because we felt it was the most appropriate for our program. And then the pieces we chose were from the museum's flat files. And the three artists we chose were Lauren Zoll, Margaret Adams, and Olivia Las Gonzalez.
I particularly like the mushroom the best because it just really appeals to me. And I think we chose these because it shows that life is in the small parts of nature, and sometimes nature is decayed. And I guess they appeal to everyone.
These are the works of Margaret Adams. She's a St. Louis-based artist, and she likes to focus on different interpretations of the sublime. Usually when you think of the sublime, you think of a volcanic eruption or a hurricane or a storm. But she draws cancer cells because she thinks that they represent the sublime on a small scale because the body's turning against itself in its own kind of perfect storm. And it's interesting because for such a large, grand concept, they're very delicately drawn, and it's a really nice contrast. So that's why we decided to include them in our show.
These are the pieces we chose from the Flat Files collection of Lauren Zoll. They're pieces of cracked drywall, and we felt that they really represented our vision in the whole show because they really represented a deterioration of beauty, but something that is beautiful in itself. So it goes with the theme of, destruction, decay, but at the same time it's a piece of art and it's beautiful. And so I think this one fit really